Hey guys, hello and welcome to our CPA marketing course, complete course taking you from, not having any idea of what CPA marketing is, all the way up to at least generating your first commissions. All right, we're not saying you're going to be rich, we're not saying you're going to be an overnight millionaire, even though CPA has proven to be very profitable when you stick to it and you take the time to learn what's coming. So first off, thanks a lot for enrolling in our course. So who are we? So Quenk and I have decided to team up to produce a CPA marketing course, associating my experience and my knowledge of the Udemy marketplace and video creation, all right, with his experience as a CPA marketer. So he's been doing CPA marketing for a couple of years now. He knows what he's doing. And today we have decided to release a course. So it's been a couple of weeks in the making, couple of months on the making, and we're proud to bring that to you today. All right, so stick along, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. So what will you learn in this course? Uh, you know, Not limited to, but included is how to get approved to a CPA network. All right, so we're going to talk about how you can get approved, even if you've never done CPA networks, CPA campaigns before, how to be approved, how to actually get in and start picking out offers. All right, which is the second point, picking up a good offer. You don't want to pick up just any offer, just any bad offer. You want actually something that converts and something that fits your audience. So we're going to be covering that also. We're going to be covering the greatest traffic sources that we personally use. All right, so we're talking, quite like Facebook ads, as well as a couple more traffic sources that you can use and that are up to date, 2015 up to date. And then we'll speak about optimizing and scaling your campaigns for long-term success, and of course how to create a campaign. So how to create a campaign, picking up a good campaign that gives you a positive return on your investment, and how to scale it up to hopefully crazy heights, right? Which will depend on the offer you pick, and we'll of course also be covering that. So thanks a lot, guys, for enrolling. Keep going through the videos and be sure to take notes, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the discussion section of any lecture. Thanks a lot.